Bitcoin is looking extremely bullish at this state. So I'm actually looking at Bitcoin showing sign of potentially reversing to the upside. The fact that it broke this 2 level here is already showing that this is a new wave up move. Okay. Now, although it has the minor rejection over there, I still think the market is preparing for a continuation back to the upside. Okay, I talked about this is a shallow retracement as a running flat. Usually a running flat is a really nice indication that the market is super bullish, heading towards to the upside. All right, so I've talked about this as a 1 2 3 4 5 leading diagonal, and this is potentially a wave 2, and now we're actually looking at going to the upside for third wave. Either this can be an A, B, C and then move to the downside, or it can actually consolidate and continuation to the upside. Okay, so these are the target we need to take a look. Like I said, if it's break this level here, then we can look for another higher high. But if the market is unable to reach to this area and in fact reject at both of this area, which is the 618 golden Fibonacci of the whole drop, then there is a potential that whatever the up move is, we might get a rejection back to the downside. So these are the crucial area that we need to take a look. Like I said, if it hits the yellow, then we're looking for another higher high. Let's go to the smaller time frame really quick and let's take a look. What's the indication? So the market is looking extremely bullish, but yet again, we have this sideways consolidation. There is a potential that we might break and then do a little bit pullback before going back to the upside. Only because it's part of the Elliotwave perspective that I've talked about, that even though it break this support here, this resistance here, it will still do a pullback before going to the upside continuation. So we'll come back to visit this line again in the future after it breaks out. All right, so that is the idea for now for Bitcoin, and take care.